जय जय श्री श्री गुरु गौरांगन धार्मिका गिरधारी श्री राधलित माधव लाल जी की जय। श्री कृष्ण बलराम जी महाराज की जय। श्री गुरुदेव की जय। श्रुपान गुरु वर्ग की जय। श्री गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि। वंदे गुरुन् पदद्वंदं भक्तवृंद समन्वितं श्री चैतन्य प्रभुं वंदे नित्यानंद सहोदितं श्रीनंदनंदनं वंदे राधिका चरणद्वयं गोपीजन समायुक्तं वृंदावन मनोहरम् अद्वैत प्रकटीकृतो नरहरि प्रेष्ठ स्वरूप प्रिय नित्यानंद सख सनातन गति श्री रूप हृतकेतन लक्ष्मी प्राणपतिर्गदाधर रसोल्लासी जगन्नाथ सांगोपांग सपार्षदं सजयतां देव सचिनंदन। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे। I first offer my Danvat Pranam to lotus feet of our Gurudevs, Nitla Prishtom Vishnupad, Ashtotar Sasri Bhakti Jivan Janardhan Goswami Maharaj, Nitla Prishtom Vishnupad, Ashto Bhakti Vedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj, all Silupan Guru Vargas, Vaishnavas and Vaishnavas. So we are hearing Gundicha Marjan Leela. Last Wednesday, I already explained in Hindi class, but something also I will tell in English. Sriman Mahaprabhu, this seva, Gundicha temple cleaning seva, asked to Kasi Mishra, Paricha Patra and Sarvabhaum Bhattacharya. And the desire of Mahaprabhu give this seva. Actually, who can give to Mahaprabhu seva? But Mahaprabhu, this Leela teaching to us, if you want any seva, then have to pray to Vaishnava. Without Vaishnava mercy, we cannot reach any seva. वैष्णव रे आवेदन कृष्ण दयामय ए है न पमार प्रति हवे न समय। If Vaishnavas pray to Krishna, then Krishna easily give to sevas. So here Krishna himself praying to Vaishnavas. Bhagavan also teaching, if you not do like this, then no example. Not example, then what we will follow? श्रेष्ठ तदेव इतरो जन सज्जत प्रमाणम कुरुते लोकस तदनु वर्तते. Great people, what do, what follow, that is the proof. And this proof, this praman we are following. So तीन जन पासे प्रभु हास्य कहिला गुंडीचा मंदिर मार्जन सेवा मांगी लीला. Mahaprabhu is smiling very happily. He's showing on enthusiasm, utsah. We want to do this seva. So this Kasi Mishra and Paricha Patra Sarvam Bhattacharya saying what we can take. This is your leelas, what you want to do. Paricha कहे आमी सब सेवक तुम्हार जे तुम्हारी इच्छा सही कर्तव्य आमार. We are your servant. On what your desire, we should do that. So Mahaprabhu's very sweet seva asking, clean to Thakurji's temple, cleaning Thakurji's things, so much make Thakurji happy. Like in Satjuga Amrish Maharaj himself cleaning Thakurji temple, Karo Harir Mandir Marjanadis. Shyamanand Prabhu cleaning kunjas, you heard in Hindi class on Radharani gave mercy. Narottam Das Thakur's serve his Gurudev cleaning, and Loknath Goswami accept him disciple. Gopis are every day cleaning on courtyard and singing Krishna's name. जो दोहने अब हमने मथनों पलेम कने प्रेम खंगनार बरुदी तो छन मार्जनार. They're cleaning and crying and always absorb Krishna. Because service gives direct absorb. Seva direct samadhis. If fully absorb seva, you're getting samadhis. This cause 7 canto also saying, Tasmat ke napi upayena manah Krishna nivesayet. Anyway, any service, our mind should absorb, attach with Krishna. Means always absorb, or seva giving big observations. This cause Mahaprabhu this seva asking, give me this seva. Seva means no any desire. Bhaj dhatu seva, only how can satisfy, what I can do for Krishna, Krishna be happy. Or that happiness only bhakta testing. And after that, anything coming, they not accept. Mad sevaya partitam te salokya adi chatushayam nechanti sevaya purna kuto anyat kal vipluta. Who are so much absorbed my service, they look, Mukti is directly asking, you accept me, take me. Heaven and all planets, Atal, Vital, Sutal, Talatal, Brahm, Padvis, they all are requesting to that Bhakta, you take me, take me. But Bhakta say no. Like Vitrasur said, na nag prishtham, na chaparyameshtham, na sarvabhaumam, na rasadhipatyam, na yoga siddhir, apunar bhavam va samanjasatva, pirhayayakant. Without you, without your service, we don't want anything. So this is Mahaprabhu's teaching. How can by service melt Krishna heart? Bhakti is melting Krishna heart. Bhakti is melting Bhakti heart. And both sides melt, then very easy, you can enter Krishna's heart or Krishna can enter your heart. And both become same heart. Sadhu hridayang mahiyam, sadhu nam hridayang tuham, madhyante te na jananti naham te bhyo managati. That time Krishna saying, sadhu's my heart, I am sadhu's heart. They don't know without me, I also don't know without them. So these sevas Mahaprabhu doing, and Paricha Patra is saying, it's not good for you because you are Bhagavan, you are Gurus, you just teaching to us. तुम्हार जोग्य सेवा न है मंदिर मार्जन, यही एक लीला कर जे तुम्हार मन. This is not right seva for you, you clean to temple. But this lila you doing because your mind, your heart want like, so okay. But cleaning to temple need many brooms, many clay pots. You just order me, I can arrangement. किंतु घट मार्जन आदि सम्मार्जनी बहुत चाहिए, यह आज ही सब यह दिए. He ordered me today, I bring everything because tomorrow is Gundicha marjan. Actually Mahaprabhu these all pots and brooms got one day before Gundicha marjan. So Paricha Patras 100 clay pot and 100 brooms brought, desire of Mahaprabhu. Nutun ek sat ghat sat sammarjani paricha aniya dila prabhure ichha jani. आर दिने प्रभाते लैया निजगन, श्री हस्ते सवार अंग लेपिला चंदन. श्री हस्ते दिला सवारे एक एक मार्जनी, सब गण लैया प्रभु चलिला अपनी. गुंडीचा मंदिरे गेला करिते मार्जन, प्रथमे मार्जनी लैया करिला शोधन. भीतर मंदिर ऊपर सकल मांझिला सिंहासन मांझी पुनः स्थापन करिला, छोट बड़ मंदिर कैला मार्जन शोधन, पाछे तैछे शोधिला श्री जगमोहन. So Sriman Mahaprabhu with his devotees went to temples, and on hand Mahaprabhu giving all devotees chandan. Also Nityanand Prabhu, Sri Advaita Church Prabhu, Sri Sarup Damodar, Paramanand Puri and Ramanand Bharti. They are like Mahaprabhu's god brother, no senior like this. So Mahaprabhu respecting them too much. And they all together starting to clean temple. They clean outside, inside, everywhere temple. चारि दिके सत भक्त सम्मार्जनी करे, आपन शोधने प्रभु सिखाने सवार. All side of Gundicha temple, 100 devotees, 100 brooms, they are cleaning. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu cleaning also teaching to them how to clean. प्रेम से शोधने शोधे न लयन कृष्ण नाम, भक्तगण कृष्ण कहे करे निज काम. When they are cleaning this temple, they are so happy because seva is one anand. Or under guidance, Guru Vaishnavas is doing seva, then this becomes more ullas, more anand. Mahaprabhu is Bhagavan, but also he is Guru, doing Guru roles, Guru doing Vaishnava role, doing Bhakta roles. Nityanand Prabhu is Vaishnavagraganya Advaita Acharyas. They are Iswar Tattva, but they are also same time Sevak Tattvas. So with this type Vaishnavas, whereas Nityanand Prabhu, Advaita Church Prabhu, Sarup Damodar, and another Brahmanand Bharti, and Premanand Puris, and himself Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, with them we get seva, then so much pleasure coming, no? Narottam Das Thakur saying, Vaishnava Sangete Mana Anandita Anuchana Sada Hai Krishna Parasam. With Vaishnava doing sevas, always you getting some connection directly with Krishna. Because they are doing this seva also same time give connection. Some name, some speak katha, something in seva. So here all are chanting Krishna Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. So they are so much absorbed, Premanand, Prema Ullas, on chanting Krishna name and doing own sevas. धूली धूसर तनु देखीते शोभन, कहा कहा अश्रु जले करे सामर्जन. All Vaishnavas covered by dust. This dust when touching to them bodies stuck, then they look very beautiful, like some special powder, no, decorating this step. In dust also some shining things, like ocean, some seapies, no, looks like silver type small pieces. This also stuck with dust. Then looks like some stars of bodies, no, shining, some decorations. So this way they are so beautiful. Many devotees are cleaning temple by water, or some are cleaning temple by tears. So much affection, so much tears coming. So saying, kaha kaha asru jale kare samvardan. Some are cleaning by own tears. Bhog mandir. Sodhan karila prangan, sakal avas krame karila sodhan. तीर्ण धूलि झिंकुर सब एकत्र करिया, बहिर्वास से लैया फैलाए बाहिरे करिया. They cleaning whole areas and so much dust, so much leaves, so much branches of trees, so much unnecessary things, no, garbage thing, all together they are putting on cloth, bahirvas, making big bundles and taking out of temple. Ei mat bhakt kari nij vase, tirna dhuli bahire phelai param haris. All devotees own bahirvas, own clothes, Utriyas putting this all dust and all tirnas, and they very happily throwing outside temple. So happy. Because they are cleaning Prabhu's place. Where Jagannath Dev can come and sit, take rest and do leelas. This because they are very happy. Because sevas always give pleasure. Prabhu kahe, ke kariya cho samarjan, tirna dhuli dekhle janivo parisram. Mahaprabhu also testing who is how much doing sevas. I want all devotees things see who how much collect dust. Then Mahaprabhu looking everyone. Then what happened? Savar jhatan boj ekatra karila sava haite prabhure boja adhika haila. All devotees own collection putting one place. That all together how much can be Mahaprabhu's own collection become double then to them. Means more than them. All together one side on Mahaprabhu's one side, but still Mahaprabhu's service, Mahaprabhu's collection become more than them. Sava haite prabhur boja adhik haila. Ei mata abhyantar karila marjan puna sava kale dila kariya banta. So Mahaprabhu this way outside inside cleaning, and his cleanings become bigger than everyone. Or why not? Because Mahaprabhu servicing, cleaning this area, mood of Radhikas. Or where Radha Rani herself cleaning, who can be competitor her? Who can be same or who can be high than her? This cause Mahaprabhu how much can do, Radha Rani how much can do, who can do that much? This is the teaching of this Leelas. Again Mahaprabhu's all devotees separating area. You do here, you do there. So every devotee is one side, one area cleaning. Suchma dhuli tirna kankar sab karah dur bhal mate sodhan karah prabhur antap. Mahaprabhu saying so nicely clean Jagannath's temple. What is subtle dust and any small things like small leaves were breaking, small things, this everything clean. सब वैष्णव लैया जबे दुई बार शोधिला देखी महाप्रभु मन संत. And all Vaishnavas 2 times cleaning, so nicely cleaning, Mahaprabhu very satisfied. Then और सत जन सत घटे जल भरी प्रथम लैया अच्छे काल अपेक्षा करी. 100 devotees in line standing, 100 pots of water, just waiting when order, and we will pass this water. जल आना बलि जब महाप्रभु कहिला तबे सत घट आनी प्रभु आगे दिला. When Mahaprabhu said bring water, then 100 pots of water devotees giving to Mahaprabhu. On all this water devotees taking and cleaning by through the water. प्रथमे करिला प्रभु मंदिर पर छलन ऊर्धव आधो भीति गृह मध्य सिंहासन खापरा भरिया जले ऊर्धव चलाइला सही जल ऊर्धव सोधी भीति पर छालिला. Mahaprabhu taking waters and all temples cleaning, inside, outside, walls and roof. Where cannot go water, then they are using breaking pots of clay. When pot break, then become like this, like some plate types. On that pots, they filling water and throwing like this. So go to top, roof, everywhere and cleaning. Because that time not pipe system, so do like this way. श्री हस्ते करेन सिंहासन मार्जन प्रभु आगे जल आनी दे भक्तगण. Mahaprabhu himself cleaning Jagannath Singhasan. And all devotees giving him water. भक्तगण करे गृह मध्य प्रक्षालन निज निज हस्ते करे मंदिर मार्जन. केह जल आनी दे महाप्रभु रे करे केह जल दे तार चरण उपरे केह लुकाया करे सही जल पान केह मांगी ले केह अन्न करे दान, घर धुई प्रणालिकाय जल छाड़ी दिला, से ही जल प्रांगण सब भरिया रहिला. So all are cleaning. Some are giving water Mahapurush hand, some are giving water Mahapurush feet. Some are hidden by taking that water and drinking. Because you are staying in oceans, in river, and still thirsty, you are unfortunate. Because Mahaprabhu is the essence of all avatars, and they are surrounding to him. Avatar sar gaura avatar kene na bhajile tare, kari nirevas gelo na pyas apana karam fere. So all devotees staying in that water, whereas Mahaprabhu doing leelas, they are taking this on hidden way all are drinking. And all lives and lives desire fulfilling. Very lucky, very fortunate who are getting this direct sevas. निज वस्त्र कैला प्रभु गिरस समार्जन, Mahaprabhu निज वस्त्र माजिल सिंहासन. Mahaprabhu after cleaning, using own cloth, utriyas, this cloth, and cleaning singhasan nicely. This is the symptom of love, deep love. Think how can satisfy our beloved. So that time Mahaprabhu is no asking bring some another cloth. He is using own cloth. This is sevas. These sevas melt Prabhu's heart. Satghat jale haila mandir marjan, mandir sodhiya kaila jain nijaman. Nirmal sital snigdha karila mandire, apan hriday jain dharila bahi. Mahaprabhu with cloth, with water, with brooms, all three types cleaning. First using broom, then water, then using cloth. So like nothing is left there, everything clean. So clean, so cool, so nice become temple. So soft. Because Mahaprabhu who are using own hand, own cloth, that area how much cleaning nicely, who can explain? So here also one teachings, when sadhak chanting Harinam and doing sevas, then very nicely cleaning heart. There are no any vasana staying. All rajas tamas going. Raja means, this is the dust means rajas. So you do sevas with Harinam, then all these anarthas go. Tada rajas tamo bhava kama lobha des tatha chitir eter anaviddham sattvair prasidhati. When we are doing sevas with Harinam, then all rajagun, tamoguns going. Even sattvagun go. That time Visuddha sattvagun come. And kam, krodh, greed, this all anarthas going. And that time Visuddha sattvas come and so much pleasure coming, so much happy coming. Because no desire. Heart becomes so cold, so peaceful. And that heart, that place Krishna want to sit. This ko one place written, Krishna Bhakt Niskam Atayava San Bhukti Mukti Siddhi Kami Sakale Asan. Krishna Bhakt has no desire. This cause they are very peaceful. Anu has so much desire, I want mukti, I want bhogas, I want siddhis, I want this and that. They are so much disturbed. So much tension. Because this thing cannot give happy, cannot give pleasures. When you are asking something extra from Bhagavan, that means you want to stay separate from Krishna. And who can stay separate from Krishna? What can get Krishna's Sevanand? These called Brajvasis and pure devotees, they no want separately from Krishna. They want directly Krishna's, directly Sevas. This called Vitrasur saying, I no want heaven, no want to Brahma, Padvis, no want to Atal, Vital, Sutal. Only I want to you, your service. Like calf, how is lamenting for mother, like birds. like one beloved. This type giving an example. So Mahaprabhu cleaned this temple, and there Kaviraj Goswami is saying, like Mahaprabhu's own heart keeping outside. Because Mahaprabhu's heart and temple none different. This temple called Vrindavan, Mahaprabhu's heart also Vrindavan. So he is saying, both places you can sit. You can sit these asanas, this fully clean, also can sit my heart asanas. Both places you can get pleasure, get happiness, as you like. And Bhagavans mostly like to sit devotee's heart. Because if sit there, then many things you can see, many things you can taste. So saying Mahaprabhu on heart keeping outside. सत सत जन जल भरे सरोवरे घाटे स्थान नहीं के है कूपे जल भरे पूर्ण कुंभ लैया ऐसे सत भक्तगण शून्य घट लैया जाए आर सत जन. Hundreds of devotees filling water in pond, Indradumna Sarovars, but there's no space to staying. All ghat is full. So many devotees are going well, and from there they are filling waters. Nityanand Advait Sarup Bharati Puri Iha Binu Ar Sav Ane Jal Bhari. Only 5 people are not bringing water. They are helping Mahaprabhu. They are together cleaning temple. And another all devotees are bringing water. Who is this 5? That is Nityanand Prabhu, Advaitacharya Prabhu, Sarup Damodar, and Brahmanand Bharatis, and Paramanand Puris. They are Guru Vargas. They are worshipable deities. So they are no bringing water, but still they are teaching to us how to clean Thakur's temple. घाटे घाटे ठेकी कत घट भांगी गेला सत सत घट लोक ताहा लैया आइला. When they are bringing water, they are very fast doing sevas. No, they are giving time. Mahaprabhu wait for water, and Mahaprabhu again say bring water, bring water. So when bringing and taking and coming going, then one pot, another pot when touch, then break. So these were 100 pots broken, and 100 new pots came. Like this type sevas going. जल भरे घर धोए करे हरि ध्वनि कृष्ण हरि ध्वनि बिना और नहीं सुनी. कृष्ण कृष्ण कही करे घटेर प्रार्थन कृष्ण कृष्ण कही करे घट समर्पण. जेई कहे सही कहे कृष्ण नाम हैला संकेत सब काम. महाप्रभु टीचिंग हाउ टू डू any limbs of bhakti or following. All limbs should follow under Harinam. Harinam Sankirtanam Saha Bhakti Angam Jajanam Kurjat. All limbs of bhakti should be under with Harinam Sankirtan. You see, all devotees, especially Brajavasi Gopis, anything doing, they are chanting yogurt, cleaning house, and making cooking foods, and any seva doing, milking cows, all service they are adding Krishna name, Govinda Damo Dharmadevi. And Mahaprabhu same mood, Radhika's mood doing this seva, so he's also Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna Krishna giving pot, Krishna Krishna taking pot, Krishna Krishna giving water, Krishna Krishna cleaning temple. So Krishna 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 means every jiva have relationship with Krishna. Who are not accepting this relationship, or not doing bhajan, they are losing one position and going more down. Jayesam Purusham Sachat Atma Prabhavam Iswaram Na Bhajant Avajananti Asthanad Bhrashta Patantadha. Krishna is the cause of cause. Krishna, soul of soul. Krishna, the conscious of conscious. Who is the conscious of conscious? Krishnas who are not doing seva, not doing bhajan, then high chance next life they go down. Now human, maybe next life they become snake, donkey, monkey, or any animals, any jivas where they cannot think about Krishna, cannot do bhajan, cannot chant, cannot seva. Only human can do. This ko here Mahaprabhu teaching to everyone, all jivas should keep relationship with Krishna according to your taste. This way all devotees here are doing seva Jagannath. Different moods. Some are Sakras doing seva, some are Vasalras doing sevas, some are Madhuras doing seva, some are Dasras doing seva, because they are all rasas devotees are absorbing this service. Krishna is one, but according to mood, same Krishna looking different. Jaki bhavana jaise Prabhu Murat dekhi. So according to one relationship, they are doing this seva. And this seva doing under Harinam, indicating all service they done. No problem, no hard. Because actually Krishna is doing everything. Krishna is the Karta, Karma, Karan, Sampradan, Apadan. Because without Krishna relation, who can what do? So Krishna naam haila sanket sab kaam. Prema vese Prabhu kahe Krishna Krishna naam. Ekele prema vese kare sad jane rakam. They are all are absorbing Krishna name, but Mahaprabhu so much. This depend how much who has prema. That much absorption coming. On Mahaprabhu means Radhikas. Or Radhika means she is the source of prema. She is the source of bhav. Sarva bhavo udhamo lasi madno ayam paratpara. Rajte haladni sara radhaya meva jasada. Radha Rani is the source of all bhavs. She is the deity of Mahabhav, Madanakhya Bhav. So Mahaprabhu so much chanting Krishna, 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 Krishna. So much aves. This cause Mahaprabhu alone doing 100 people's service. 100 people how much can do? Mahaprabhu alone doing that much. Ekele prema vese kare sat janera kaam. Because Mahaprabhu so much absorbed, my beloved come and sit this place. So he is using whole energy for Jagannath sevas. Jagannath also can realize, understand how much Radharani can do for him. This cause Krishna's everywhere going but not satisfied that much, how much satisfied when he visit to Radharani. Because her love, affection, how much have no one that much. Because all love, affection anyone have, this is the Radharani's things. So how can be that much? Sat haste karen jen chalan marjan Parti jan paase jai karana sichan. Mahaprabhu's 100 hands doing Gundicha marjans, cleaning Gundicha temples. And also going everywhere. This is the nature of Radharani. She is own self doing sevas. She is the deity of sevas. And also teaching. All our Guru Vargas, what they have qualification, this qualification came from Radhikas. Even Krishna's many things learning from Radharani. He is accepting my speaking art, dancing art, walking art, this is not my art, I is stealing someone. This is Radhika's bhav, this is Radhika's mood. All Guru Vars, this mood taking from Radharani, this service mood, or doing Krishna's Radha Krishna sevas. This cause Mahaprabhu own self doing sevas, also teaching to everyone. भाल कर्म देखी तारे करे प्रशंसन मन न मिलले करे पवित्र भटसन. When Mahaprabhu looks, some are very nice, expert, very nice in service, then Mahaprabhu is glorifying him. And some not proper doing seva, Then Mahaprabhu's sweet chastisement. And saying to another who nice doing, you teach to him, he also can do like you. तुम्ही भाल करिय छो सिखा अन्य यही मत भाल कर्म से हो जे न करे. Mahaprabhu saying you did nice, you also teach to them. They also nicely can do. This way Mahaprabhu so much mercy giving, own self teaching, and if some are very expert in seva, then that devotees Mahaprabhu accept like you can be teacher to another, you can be guru to others. And who cannot do proper seva, teach to them, they also can do proper sevas. एक कथा सुनिया सबे संकुचित हैया भाल मते कर्म करे सबे मन दिया. When Mahaprabhu will sweet chastise, then they little feel shame and they more absorbent to seva. Are they nicely doing seva with mind? तवे प्रक्षालन कैला श्री जगमोहन भोग मंदिर आदि तवे कैला प्रक्षालन नाटशाला धुईला चतवर प्रांगण पाकशाला आदि करी करिल प्रक्षालन मंदिरे र चतुर्दि के प्रक्षालन कैला सब अंतपुर भाल मत धोयाइल. हेन काले गौड़िया एक सुबुद्धि सरल प्रभु रे चरण जुगे दिला घट जल सही जल लैया आपने पान कैला ताहा देखी प्रभु रे मने दुख घोर रोष हैला. All are cleaning. At that time, one Brahman, one devotee, saying he is so intelligent, Subudhi. Subudhi means he has so much love and affection, Mahaprabhu lotus feet. Many people are not understanding who is Mahaprabhu. So very hard to them do Mahaprabhu's bhajan. But this Gaudiyas devotees so much faith Mahaprabhu's lotus feet. So this ko hi Subudhi. Krishna Varnang Tivisa Krishnam Sango Pangastra Parsadam Jagya Sankirtan Prayar Jajanti hi Sumedasa. Who is intelligent, who are worshipping this Sachinandan Gaur Hari under Sankirtan Jagya. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram Hare. Who are speaking Krishna, Krishna Krishna Krishna. Who have Krishna Varna, inside Syam, outside Radharani's Bhav and Kantis. Krishna Varnang Tvisa Krishna, who came with Angas, Advitarchar, Nityanand, and Upangas, and Bhaktas, and Astras Harinam, all together. So that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu who are worshipping, they are very intelligent, who have so much deep faith, love and affection. So this devotee so much love. He was very simple, so much faith. So he is directly Mahaprabhu's feet putting water, on front Mahaprabhu is taking this water. Showing on bhaktis, you are my God, you are my Lord. I no fear anyone, so my heart, mind, your lotus feet. When Mahaprabhu saw this, then Mahaprabhu becomes so angry and so sad. Inside becomes so happy because he is so simple sitting, no simpleness looking. How is this devotee simple, but also teaching to another people? Mahaprabhu showing some anger and showing some disturbance. जत्ति गोसाई तारे हैया छे संतोष धर्म संस्थापन लागी बाहिरे महारोष. Even Mahaprabhu very happy, but is still teaching to outside jivas, is showing so much angry. Have to establish dharmas. शिक्षा लागी स्वरूपित डाकी कहिल तहारे ए देख तुम्हार गौड़िया रे व्यवहारे. ईश्वर मंदिरे मोर पद धोआइला से जल आपनी लैया पान कैला. That time Mahaprabhu called to Sarup Damodar and saying, look, this is your Gaudiya. Your Gaudiya means all devotees staying under guidance of Sarup Damodar. So this is your devotees. On your devotees, your Gaudiya what did? In front Thakurji's temple, inside temple, he cleaning my feet and inside temple drinking my this water, feed water. So this is big aparad. सही अपराधे मोर कहा हवे गति तोमार गौड़िया करे एते का हजती. So this aparad where I can go? This is your Gaudiya's nature. This is Gaudiya's behavior. So Mahaprabhu's teaching like ordinary jivas in front Thakurji, in Thakurji temple cleaning feet or do this step. It's not good. For Mahaprabhu's no aparad is Bhagavan, but he's not doing here lila like Bhagavan. He's here doing lila like I'm one devotees, ordinary person, ordinary devotees. So for ordinary devotees, very careful. Otherwise this step anarthas, too much love puja pratisthas can destroy to bhakti. So you cannot digest and you go to hell. Okay, I go. So teaching to jivas, Mahaprabhu this step lila doing inside temple, front Thakurji like this type cleaning feet or drink is not right, not good for one ordinary people. When Sarup Damodar heard, he catch his shoulder and taking these devotees outside Gundicha temple. तबे स्वरूप गोसाई तारे घाड़ हाथे दिया ठेका मारी पूरी रे बाहिरे राखी लेने लैया. Pushing him and take out from Gundicha temple, and Sarup Damodar returned and saying to Mahaprabhu, I am sorry because he don't know this cause he did some aparad, and who don't know foolish people aparad don't mind. पुनः आसी प्रभु पाए करिल विनय आज्ञा अपराध क्षमा करिते जुआय. One aggyas who don't know proper tattva siddhanta or something doing mistake should forget. तबे महाप्रभु मने संतोष हाइला सारी करी दुई पासे सवारे बसाइला. When Mahaprabhu heard this thing, very happy, and immediate Mahaprabhu's order, all devotees come and own on things, show me how much collecting this dust. आपने बसिया माजे आपने रे हाथे तीर्ण कांकर कूटा लागिल कूड़ाइते के कत कूड़ाए सब एकत्र करीब जार अल्प तार ठाई पीठा पाना लाइब. Everyone bring on collections on dust, and I will see who how much did. If some are doing less, then I will take his prasad. What is पाना and पीठास? पीठा पाना this I will take. ए बात सब पूरी करिल शोधन शीतल निर्मल कैलन जैन निजम. This way Mahaprabhu is giving all devotees so much enthusiasm, so much happy and pleasure, and they very happily cleaning whole Gundicha temple. After cleaning, when they opening pranalika, means drain, and so much water came out, like river, like flood river, and outside become like so much water, like flood river is running in oceans. नूतन नदी जैन समुद्रे मिलिला. ए मत पूरा द्वार आगे पथ जत सकल शोधिला ताहा की बरनीवे कत. This type Mahaprabhu's all temples, all outside street, outside door, gate, everywhere cleaning. How much Mahaprabhu cleaning? Kaviraj Goswami said, who can explain? Because where Mahaprabhu is cleaning, how much he can clean, only he knows. I only on bank of this Gundicha Leelas, this Leela is like oceans, I am standing on bank, a little bit I am touching this bhav, this mood of Mahaprabhu and describing. because this bhav and mood Mahaprabhus, like oceans, cannot reach to bottom, cannot reach to bank, one bank to another. Atalatvat, aparatvat, aptu aso durvigahatam. Who can go bottom of oceans? A Mahapurush bhav oceans, mood oceans, how is cleaning by own cloth, by own tears, by own bhav, how much crying, how much lamenting, what mood, what is no telling in cleaning Krishna, what no each other talking, what mood is no is manifesting, who can understand? Only some our Guru Vargas understand. Rup Goswami, Sanatan Goswami, Jiv Goswami, Kaviraj Goswami, little touching, so they are little keeping this thing for us. After you can see Jagannath Rath Yatra's time, Mahapurush, how many bhav, how many mood, can understand how is love to Krishna. This ko here Kaviraj Goswami ending this Gundicha Marjan Leela and saying Nirsing Mandir Bhitar Bahire Sodhila Chane ka Visram Kari Nirta Arambe. After Gundicha temple also Nirsing Dev temple they cleaning, means all dust clean, all anarthas clean, all karma vasanas, jog, karma, jnana, these are like thrones, like conquers. This throne, bhakti is very soft nature, and karma is very hard nature. So who has karma vasanas on another desire, they are like hitting to bhaktis. You want to yogas, you want to see this, you want to move this. This is like also giving pain to bhaktis. Like you walking on stone, how much hitting your feet. So this name of bhakti is something asking Bhagavan, that means it's cheating to Bhagavan. This is kapat. Dharma projit kaituvatra paramo nirmat saranam satang vedyang vastamatra vastu sivadam tapatrayon moolanam. So no anything ask. Or more cheating, who is very subtle, we cannot see, that called labh, puja, pratisthas, nisidachar, kutinati, is many anartha. This is very subtle, cannot look. So Mahapurush, everything cleaning by own cloth, no one spot keeping there. Means no cheating mood, no any pujas, no any pratisthas, no this, that, no jiv hinsas, killing to jivas, torturing to jivas. These all are very bad for bhaktis. So these all anarthas, cleaning by Harinam, this is Leela of Gundicha's Marjan. Mahaprabhu is not cleaning only temple, by this mood he is cleaning also all devotees' heart. Own heart is already clean because his Mahabhav Sarupa, his Mahabhav Sarupa. But who are not that level, not this type bhakti mood, he is giving this mood on bhakti. Who can hear this Leela, Mahaprabhu, this mood, his heart also bhakti will come. Without that, who can reach that bhakti? This cause Mahaprabhu this Leela did. चारी दी के भक्तगण करेन कीर्तन मध्य नृत्य करेन प्रभु मत सिंहासन. After cleaning temple, they become very happy. Why happy? Because now beloved will come here and he stay forever. Because this is Vrindavan. And how much we are cleaning Vrindavan, decorating Vrindavan, making soft and sweet Vrindavan. When he will come this Vrindavan, he never return anywhere, no back to anywhere. Because Krishna can go anywhere, but he cannot get this much happiness and pleasure. Which place Krishna cannot remember when day and when not, night. Krishna himself saying, Chitrati Chitre, Ruchire Bihare. In Vrindavan, so wonderful pastime. And this pastime, when I observe, then I cannot remember what is day, what. Especially when so much absorb his friend in forest, then cannot remember how many hours gone. Sometimes they become cuckoos, sometimes become peahen, sometimes become frogs, sometimes become monkeys, jumping one branch to another, cuckoo doing and frog then jumping. Many sweet lila doing, sometimes breaking flowers and fruits and making garland and decorating each other and eating these fruits and giving these fruits and making bed, sleeping, this, that, many. huh? And mothers. Huh? And also with Jasoda mother, when Krishna, then mother, how much affection, how much giving butter, when gopis are giving buttermilk or many things. So Krishna is saying, when day, when night, I cannot remember. This cause Mahaprabhu, after cleaning this temple, so much dancing and also singing, ki kahe wo sakhi aaj, ananda ure, chira dina madhav mandira more. Today's what pleasure, what happiness, what is anand going my heart, how can I explain? Because Krishna is coming my temple, my house forever. After he cannot back, cannot return. This way there is so much dancing and singing. Or when this bhav came, there is so much sweating. Dancing like mad lion and sweating and shaking and body's color changing. Some become red, sometimes yellow, sometimes white, and pulak coming, hair standing, and hunkar, Lord shouting, no, like lion. Nij ang dhui aage chale asudhar. So much tears coming. This asattvic bhav. Chari dike bhakt ang kaila prachhalan, Shravan ere megh jen kare barisan. Mahaprabhu's eyes coming tears like pichkari, syringe, and all devotees are taking bath that tears like this rainy, Saman's month rainy, July and August month rain, how much? This much tears rain came. Maha uch sankirtan akas harila, Prabhur udan nirta bhumi kampahela. So loud kirtan, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. On this Mahaprabhu's kirtan, earthquake. स्वरूपेर उच्च गान प्रभुर सदा भाई आनंद उदंड नृत्य करे गौरा राय. Swarup Damodar, this song which Braja's mood, Mahaprabhu so much liked. And that song Mahaprabhu so much danced. ए मत कथ छन नृत्य जे करिया विश्राम करिला प्रभु समय बुझिया. After some times Mahaprabhu understand, so long dance, taking rest. आचार्य गोसाई पुत्र श्री गोपाल नाम नृत्य करिते तारे आज्ञा दिला गौर धाम. प्रेमा वे से नृत्य करी हैला मूर्छित अचेतन हैया तेह पड़िला भूमि ते आस्ते व्यास्ते आचार्य तारे कैला कोले श्वास रहित देखे आचार्य हैला विकले नृसिंह मंत्र पड़ी मारे जल छाटी हुंकारे रे शब्द ब्राह्मण जाय फटी ब्रह्मांड जाय फटी. In that kirtan, Advaita Prabhu's one son, his name Gopal. Mahaprabhu, when taking rest, he ordered to Gopal do some nirtya, some dance. When dancing, then he become unconscious. When become unconscious, then Advaita so much disturbed, so much disturbed. And he's saying, what happened? He's taking some water and chanting Nirsingha mantras, Jai Nirsingha, Sri Nirsingha, and putting on sun face. But he's still not conscious returning. Then Advaitacharya start to crying. तब महाप्रभु तारे बूके हस्त दिला उठा गोपाल बलि उस स्वरे कहिला. सुने तई गोपाल रहेला चेतन हरि बलि नृत्य करे सर्व भक्तगण. When Advaitacharya all energy using, but Gopal could not conscious, then Mahaprabhu came himself and he's just touching his heart and saying, "Oh Gopal, wake up, wake up." When Mahaprabhu's order wake up, immediately wake up. Means Mahaprabhu's soul of soul, conscious of conscious. And if directly soul of soul order to soul, you stand up, even dead body can stand up. No, here is only unconscious. If Mahaprabhu ordered, then soul can return on, body can stand up. So immediate Gopal stand up on Hari Bol, all devotees starting to chant. Mahaprabhu have power. Krishna when Putra's garva Parikshit dead already by Brahmastra. Krishna alive to him. So for Krishna, nothing, this is not big things. এই লীলা বাড়িয়াছেন দাস বৃন্দাবন এতেল সংক্ষেপে করিলু বর্ণন তবে মহাপ্রভু क्षणिक विश्राम करिया स्नान करिवारे गेला भक्तगण लैया. Little Mahaprabhu rest and going to take bath in Indradumna Sarovars and तीरे उठी परेन प्रभु सुख बसन नृसिंह देवे नमस्कारी गेला उपगान. Mahaprabhu new cloth bearing did pranam to Nirsingh Bhagwan, that is nearby Gundicha temple. Then came that area where garden of Gundichas, or that garden all devotees came. उदाने बसीला प्रभु भक्तगण लैया तबे वाणीनाथ आइला महाप्रसाद लैया. वाणीनाथ, who is the Ramanand Rai's brother, he brought so much prasad, like 500 people's devotees prasad. काशी मिश्र तुलसी परीक्षा दुई जन पंच सत लोक जत करे भोजन तत अन्न पीठा पाना सब पठाइला देखी महाप्रभु मन संतोष हैला. 500 people can eat that much पीठा पाना लाफड़ा many things sending through Kashi Mishras. Mahaprabhu become very happy. पूरी गोसाई महाप्रभु भारती ब्रह्मानंद अद्वैत आचार्य और प्रभु नित्यानंद. परमानंद पुरी चैतन्य महाप्रभु एंड ब्रह्मानंद भारती अद्वैताचार्य एंड नित्यानंद प्रभु. आचार्य रत्न आचार्य निधि श्रीवास गदाधर शंकर नंदनाचार्य और राघव बक्रेश्वर. प्रभु आज्ञा पाया बसे आपने सार्वभौम पिंडार ऊपरे प्रभु बसे लैया भक्तगण. तार तले करी अनुक्रमा उद्याने भरी बसे भक्त करिते भोजन. मेन Mahaprabhu's parikar, they are sitting next to Mahaprabhu, surround to Mahaprabhu. And another devotees, one line, big line, whole gardens full by devotees, all are sitting. Haridas Bali Prabhu डाके घने घन दूरे रही हरिदास करे निवेदन. भक्त संगे प्रभु करुण प्रसाद अंगीकार ए संगे बसीते जोग नाही मुई छा. When Mahaprabhu is taking this prasad, he remembered to Haridas Thakur. How is lucky and so much calling Haridas, Haridas. Haridas is distancing Prabhu. I am waiting. First all devotees take, then I will take. I even dust, I even char, small person. I no right to sit with them. He is so showing humble. But devotees is not like that. Devotees worshiping deity of Brahma and Shiva. No? But for Leelas, he is doing like this, like how to be humble one devotees. पाछे मोरे प्रसाद गोविंद दिवे बहिर द्वारे मन जानी प्रभु पुनः न कहिला न बलिला तारे. Saying I will take after and Govind bring for me prasad. I am sitting outside Gundicha temple boundaries. Sarup Gosai Jagdanand Damodar Kasishwar Gopinath Baninath Shankar. These all peoples are Sarup Damodar, Jagdanand Pandit and Kasishwar, Gopinathacharya, Baninath, Shankar. These all are distributing prasad. परिवेशन करे तहा यही 7 जन मध्य मध्य हरिध्वनि करे भक्तगण. They are distributing on all devotees after 2-1 minutes. Hari bol. This step they are doing dhvanis, jai dhvanis. पुलिन भोजन कृष्ण पूर्वे जैसे कैला सही लीला महाप्रभु माने स्मृति है. When Mahaprabhu sitting, all devotees Advaitacharya, Nityanand Prabhu, Sarup Damodar or another Paramanand Puri and Brahmanand Bharati surrounding to Mahaprabhu, then Mahaprabhu remembering Brajas Leela, Pur Leela. How is Brajapuras? Mahaprabhu did Leela in Krishna's, especially which day Brahm Vimohan Leelas, that days after killing Aghasur, Krishna and his all friends Subal, Madhu, Mangal, Sridham, all are together sitting and they are surrounding, and that scenery is Mahaprabhu remembering. Bibrad Venu Jathar Patayo Sringa Vetre Cha Kacho वामे पानो मसीन कबलम तद फलान अंगुलिषु तिष्ठन मध्य स्वजन परिसूर्दो हास्तन नरभि स्वय स्वर्ग लोके मिस्ति भुज जगभूग बाल के. Krishna is putting on Venus on belt and Sringa Vetrecha Kache. Inside arms putting singas and stick, and hands putting rice, yogurts, many pickles in fingers, and eating, and own thing giving friends, friend thing taking own self. So this all Leelas Mahaprabhu remembering. जत्पि प्रेमा वैसे प्रभु हैला अस्थिर समय बुझिया प्रभु हैला किछु थी. That time Mahaprabhu's mood came like Braja, his mind came, I take this food and give to devotees, and devotees think take me and eat, but he's little controlling on self, thinking if outside people look, then think this sannyasi become mad, what is going on? This by Mahaprabhu's, no Mahaprabhu, no do this, but inside tasting that bhav, that good. प्रभु कहे मोरे देह लफड़ा व्यंजन पीठा पाना अमृत गुटका देह भक्तगण. प्रभु कहे मोरे देह लफड़ा व्यंजन. Mahaprabhu, when starting to distributing, then Mahaprabhu said, don't give me pita and pana, just give me lafra. Lafra means 3-4 types of sabjis together, mix and cook, so tasty, so sweet, so nice. This thing Mahaprabhu asking. सर्वग प्रभु जानेन जारे जय भाई तारे तारे सही दड़ाइया दिवाया स्वरूप द्वारा. महापुरुष अंतर्जामी. He know every jiva's nature, every devotee's nature, what they like, which devotees, which types food like, prasad like. Some like sour, some like sweet, some like chilies. So according to them, taste Mahapurush ordering to Sarup Damodar and another devotees, give him pitha pana, give him lafra, give him this, give him this, give him rasgullas. This type distributing. जगदानंद बेड़ाय परिवेशन करीते प्रभु रे पाते भाल द्रव्य देन आचंबिते. Jagdanand Pandit is distributing and he going this side and again backing to near Mahaprabhu and very fast giving his plate something, and then going another side, again coming, again putting, going another side. This way is too much doing to seva Mahaprabhu. A nice thing putting Mahaprabhu's pattals, plates. जत्पि दिले प्रभु तारे करेन रोष बाले छले तबु देन दिले से संतोष. Even Mahaprabhu angry, upset when he's again giving nice thing. But Jagdanand's anyhow doing like that, giving. And he feel very happy. Punarapi sai drava करे निरक्षण तार भय प्रभु किछु करे न भक्षण. Giving and again come, then looking. Mahaprabhu took or not. If not, then he go angry. This cause Mahaprabhu by fear taking that things. न खाइले जगदानंद करीब उपवास तार आगे किछु खान मने एतरास. If I know will eat, then he will 10 day fast. And if fast, then I have to go again pacify this, that, big problem come. So better before starting problem, just take. If taking something, no problem, then take. So Mahaprabhu, this cause taking that prasad. स्वरूप गोसाई भाल मिष्ट प्रसाद लैया प्रभु के निवेदन करे आगे दड़ाइया सही महाप्रसाद अल्प करा आस्वादन देखा जगन्नाथ कैसे करिया छन भोजन एता बलि आगे किछु करे समर्पण तार स्नेह प्रभु किछु करे न भोजन एई मत दुई जन करे बार बार विचित्र एई दुई भक्तिर स्नेह व्यवहार. Jagdanand Pandit gone, then Sarup Damodar Prabhu came, and he is also nice sweet giving and saying to Mahaprabhu, take, see how Jagannath tasting this prasad. How is this taste this prasad? Because Jagannath took, so now you take and tell me Jagannath taste, how taste. This way giving. सार्वभौम प्रभु बास्या छेन बाम पासे दुई भक्तर स्नेह देखी सार्वभौम हासे. Sarvabhaum Bhattacharya left hand Mahaprabhu sitting and he is before Tarkik, mean doing argument, no belief to prasad, no belief to devotees. It's like a smart type nature, no? But when today looking affection of devotees, then is so much laughing, so much feel happy. Oh, this type स्नेह. सार्वभौम दयान प्रभु प्रसाद उत्तम स्नेह करी बार बार करान भोजन. Also Mahaprabhu nice prasad giving to Sarvam Bhattacharya, ordering to devotees give to him. गोपीनाथाचार्य उत्तम महाप्रसाद आनी सार्वभौम दिया कहे सुमधुर बानी. Gopinathacharya came, nice prasad brought to give to Sarvam Bhattacharya plate and saying, कहा भट्टाचार्य पूर्वे जड़ व्यवहार, कहा यही परमानंद करह विचार. Before, what your nature and behavior? If prasad thinking just rice, dal and chapati something, but now you understand what is glories of prasad. Only this thing understand if go under Vaishnava Sanghas. Then you can understand what is prasad. Mahaprasade Govinde Nam Brahmani Vaishnave Swalpa Punbatam Rajan Vishwas Naiva Jayate. Mahaprasad, Krishna's name, Krishna's Vigraha and Vaishnavas glories how much have, who have so much Sukriti, so much Bhakti, so much Sadhu Sang, they only can understand. Who have less Sukritis cannot believe. So now understand what is Sadhu Sang taste, what is Prasad's glories. Sarvam kahe ami tarkik kubudhi, tomar prasade more a sampat siddhi. I was tarkik, like what call argument, logist. And my buddhi is intelligence so bad because everything I try to understand by tarkas, by argus, but bhakti is not tarkas. This bhav by tarkas now understand. Achintaya khalu je bhava na tans tarke na jo jayet. Which mood, which bhav, out of thought, this bhav don't try to destroy by argument. So Mahaprasad how much glorious, Vaishnavas how much glorious, Harinam how much glorious, Bhagavan's deities how much glorious. This thing no by argument you understand. Just faith, belief and bhaktis, this will only enter heart, this glories. By Shastra, by this and that not. So today, your mercies, I got this sampati, this wealth, this property. Believe to Prasad, believe to Vaishnava, believe to Bhagavan's deities. Before I think Bhagavan's deities materials, Vaishnava is ordinary, Prasad is ordinary, this all ordinary. But today I realize how is. So this all thing what happened. Tomorrow we will more discuss this Sarvam Bhattacharya, what he is saying, and also Nityananda Purva and Advaitacharya Purva each other what admiring. This katha will hear tomorrow 5 to 6 and also tomorrow 4:30 to 5:30 because 6 o'clock we will go some darshan Jagannath Rath Jatras in Gyan Gudri. So this whole katha tomorrow we will hear, also some Jagannath Rath Jatras katha. This katha go more continuously every Saturday and Sunday. So that's here. श्रील गुंडीचा मंदिर मार्जन लीला की जय, श्रीमन महाप्रभु की जय, श्री गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल, श्रील गुरुदेव की जय, श्री वृंदावन धाम की जय, श्री राधालित माधव लाल की जय, श्री कृष्ण बलराम जी महाराज की जय. जय जय श्री राधे.